With immediate effect, we have directed that the necessary signages will be put up, and we are also making alternate arrangements for for widening of the road. The land has already been acquired. Now National Highways will act on it and take immediate steps for widening of the road. And with this, we expect that the accident-prone zone will be regulated and it will be taken care of.
Ma'am, is there any stay by any court?
There is no stay. There was one person who had gone to the court, but that has been disposed of, and the court has directed that the applicant has to be rehabilitated suitably, and then the land can be taken over. The possession can be taken over. So now the steps will be taken to rehabilitate that applicant, and that land will also be taken over. As an immediate measure, today also we have deployed some additional force and with speed control radars also. So in course of time also we will examine the possibility of having a continuous manning of that area.
ब्रेस्तारा चिमला हायवे जंक्शनार जाल्ल्या भयानक एक्सिडेंटांत 7 जाणांक मार लागिल्लो. ती क्रिटिकल आशिल्ले. एकलो गेलो. क्रिटिकल आशिल्ल्या दोगांची प्रकृती खंय स्थिर आसा. जीएमसी ट्रीटमेंट चल्ला. टँकराचो देवणे वेल्या वॉल्तार कंट्रोल केल्ल्यान तो टँकर 2 मोटारी, 1 रिक्षा आनी 2 स्कुटरींक मुकीत गेलो. 2 दिसांत थंय दुसरो एक्सिडेंट. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.